Hey, my name is Phil from GoHighLevelAccelerator.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the prospecting tool inside of GoHighLevel. Now, if you haven't yet used this tool and maybe you're looking to get new customers, then this tool is perfect for you. And if you are struggling even to get your very first customer, then this is a gold mine waiting to be looked at. So what I'm going to do right now is jump behind the screen and show you how to use it. Okay, so here we are inside of my dashboard. As you can see, I'm inside of the agency view, and on the left we can see the tab prospecting. Go ahead, click on that, and it's going to take us to the screen. Now, if it's your first time on this page, you'll probably see it looking exactly like this. What you want to do is go ahead, click on add a prospect, and it's going to bring up the Google map. Now, this is where we can go and start looking for different businesses that could potentially need our help. And this tool is going to show us little bits of information that could potentially be what we pitch to the customer. So let me show you what I mean. Now, first of all, if you don't know what industry you're in, you can see the placeholder text here on the left is giving you examples of the types of businesses you could look for in the areas as well. But what I'm going to do for this example is type in here roofing in Auckland, which is one of our main cities here in New Zealand. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's brought up a list of all the different roofing businesses around the Auckland area. Now, if we scroll down, you'll see we've got 4 pages of 5 listings. So that's roughly about 20 results that we can go through and see if there is a potential for us to work together. So let's go through the data that we are given. First of all, you can see we've got the business name. We've also got the business address. Next, we have the Google review and review rating amount. So we've got here a 5-star review average with 122 ratings. Now that is pretty much a perfect slate. So they aren't going to need to have any reputation management help because they are doing an incredible job. But you'll notice the further we go down inside of the list, the ratings start slipping and there are quite a lot less. So this is where we can start seeing opportunities for reputation management, which is one of GoHighLevel's main features as people need it to actually get more traffic. And if you don't know, the higher you are up in the Google results, the more traffic you're going to get from the platform. They say number 1 versus number 10 listing is 10 times more traffic. And having a reputation management service is going to help you climb those rankings. The next bit of information we're going to get is the Google business profile to see if it is claimed. If it isn't claimed, like you'll probably notice further down in the listings, then you can easily help them set that up. And while you're there, you can also install a missed call text back option, which basically means that if someone calls their number and they miss the call, you can automatically send them a text to let them know, hey, we missed your call, what can I help you with, which is going to start the conversation and also help with conversions. And even if they do have their Google business profile claimed, we can still install this missed call text back option very easily. Half the work's already been done as it's already been claimed. All we need to do is install the automation. So it's very cool to see. Now, the final piece of information we get just in this dashboard here is showing us if they use WordPress or not. Now, if you have heard of WordPress, you know it is sort of like an open source platform that you can build yourself. You can host wherever you want, but a lot of the times they use very cheap hosting options, which means very slow websites, which brings a bad experience to people trying to get on the website. So we can offer them our GoHighLevel hosting, which is going to help them speed up their website, increase conversions as well. And then for the cherry on the top for WordPress websites, we can also pitch our chat widget services, which directly connects to the conversations tab. You can also set up automations. It's going to help them collect leads. It just makes it that much easier for people visiting their website to get in contact with them, which starts the conversation. So all of this is amazing because it's giving us all of this information of these potential clients that we could have inside of our business. And you can just imagine how much time it is saved versus going into Google Maps itself and then trying to figure out this info. And then if we say wanted to pitch one of these people, let's just say here Metalcraft Roofing, all we need to do is click on this little side arrow here, and this is going to take us to this page. If we know the contact's information, we can add it inside here. If we don't, that's also fine, but this has got most of their info. We click on Save Prospect, And what's going to happen is it's going to generate an audit that we can then send on to the client to start the conversation about how our services are going to help them. Okay, so here is our audit. It took about 1 minute to complete, which is pretty good. And it's giving us a breakdown of all of the information it is taken from the listing. So let's go through it really quickly. First of all, we have here an online health score. This is telling us how many places the business has been listed in terms of business listings. So let's scroll right down to the bottom, and this is going to show us a breakdown of that exactly. So if these listings are empty, it means the business can be listed here, which is going to help improve its ranking also. So that's the first thing we could pitch them. The second one is just giving us an idea of where their location is on the Google map. If it's incorrect, you can also change that as a service. Next, we've got Google Business Profile. This one isn't claimed, so that's a nice pitching point. We've also got text enabled business number. So that is a point they're missing. Also a WordPress website. Next, we have the listings, how many places the business name, the address, and the phone number has been added. Now, just to let you know, the more places it's been added, the better. Having the same consistent business name, address, and phone number in multiple business listings is crucial for rankings. So this is doing a terrible job, as you can see. We can definitely help out with that. Finally, we've got a review summary. The reviews are quite low. The rating is also very low. We need this to be closer to 100 for them to actually start climbing the rankings. And then if we keep going down, there's a breakdown of the Google reviews and the types of reviews as well. So there's more than enough to actually reach out to the client and have that conversation, how you can increase their reviews, increase their ratings, and also help them get more traffic to their site and get their leads flowing through the door. So that is how you use the prospecting tool inside of GoHighLevel. Very simple and easy to use. And as you can see, it provides a ton of valuable information you can use to pitch potential clients and help them grow their businesses. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't yet, hit like, and don't forget to check out the description for bonus resources. That's it from me. My name is Phil, and this is the GoHighLevel Accelerator.